Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best in sports gear and accessories. Today, we're diving into one of the top picks in golf accessories, the Callaway 4-in-1 Divot Repair Tool. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and practical tool to keep your golf game in top shape, this is definitely one to consider. And the best part? It's a pre-owned product that's ready to perform just as well as a brand new one. The Callaway 4-in-1 Divot Repair Tool is a must-have for any golfer, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started. Made from durable zinc alloy, this tool is built to last. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use during those crucial moments on the course. Whether you're fixing divots, cleaning your clubs, or marking your ball, this tool has you covered. It features a metal groove cleaner, perfect for removing tougher dirt and grime from your club heads. Plus, the magnetic flat metal ball marker with the iconic Callaway logo ensures that you always have a marker handy, so you never have to worry about losing track of your ball position. The nylon bristled brush is great for general club cleaning, keeping your clubs in pristine condition for each shot. With over 5,000 positive reviews, the Callaway 4-in-1 Divot Repair Tool has earned its place as one of the best tools in its category. It's compact, lightweight, and has the functionality you need to tackle every aspect of golf course maintenance. Whether you're at the tee box or on the green, this tool makes your game more enjoyable and efficient. So, if you're looking for a golf accessory that combines quality, durability, and versatility, the Callaway 4-in-1 Divot Repair Tool should be at the top of your list. With its ergonomic design, multi-functionality, and brand reputation, it's definitely a product that enhances your golf experience. Don't miss out on adding this game-changing tool to your bag today. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and want more product critiques, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy golfing!